Hi guys, Cliff here, Cliff Harvey RC Planes. I had a question on the last part of my build from Bob Flyman, who is a regular contributor to my videos. Thank you, Bob. He asked about the motor, the hardware in this particular model. Let me just bend you down a little bit. Basically, it's the standard. Got one here actually. It's the little boards that you get from, well, I get mine from Micro Aces. It looks very similar to that. That's your standard micro flyer board with two servos, ESC and receiver, but all built onto one board. And then a little geared motor on the end. Again, I get mine from Micro Aces, which is where that one's from. It's orange plastic as opposed to white plastic, but they're nice little geared motors. But most of the micro flyers that you can buy these days have this set up in, and so if you've got a broken micro flyer, you can pinch all the hardware out of it and put it into something that's worthy of it, like a Grillo's Chipmunk, for instance. The batteries I use, Bob, let me get a couple here. Well, I've got several actually, but this is a 160, I think, 160 milliamp hour Turnigy, this one, but it's what we call a 1S battery. And well, with that little motor and receiver setup, servos, you probably get 6, 7, 8 minutes depending on how you use it. The charger I use to charge currently my 1S batteries is one of these. That happens to be Turnigy actually, from Hobby King. Quite cheap to buy, but it's got 6 charging points either side for different size batteries, all 1S. It's a 1S charger, and you can vary the voltage that you charge on it, and it gets its power from either a 12-volt power source or just plug in a battery with an XT60 connector, and it just flashes the voltage up as it climbs up, as it charges. And when it's charged, the little light goes from green to red to let you know that it's charged. So that's a cracking little charger. One more thing to add. So there's another board, Bob. All much of a muchness. And then you can also get individual servos. See how small they are. Again, from different micro flyers have these little servos. Anyway, there's the little single servos, and they just plug into the corner of the boards. There's a couple of sockets for them, so you can add extra 4th or 5th channel. So just to reiterate what I did last time with the Chipmunk, is the board I've got at the bottom there's got one damaged servo which I've removed, so I've plugged in a single servo, goes on the top, so I've still only got 2 servos running, and the 1S battery will just sit across the top here once the hatch goes on. So it's just your standard microlight setup that you get in a lot of these little micro flyers, or you can buy them individually from the likes of Micro Aces in the UK or Banggood, somewhere like that. But I have found sometimes the cheaper ones, the Banggood ones, are of a dubious quality, I must be honest, which is why a couple of those have got damaged servos, because they just seize up, heat up, whatever. Okay, Bob, hope that answers your question. I did cover it briefly in part 2 actually, but there's a little bit more information for you. So like and subscribe, little like button down here, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for looking in.